Hey loves, it's Sheena and I am back. So today I'm back just for just a really quick video. I wanted to show you guys this awesome product that I've been using. It is called Bio Oil, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you may have heard of this. If not, this oil is awesome. And this and I just want to put the disclaimer, like, this is not sponsored at all. um I just started using this probably about a month ago maybe, and I've already seen improvements in my stretch marks. And I use it for my stretch marks, but you can use bio oil for a variety of things. You can use it for stretch marks, you can use it for scars, you can use it just to moisturize your face because it helps with anti-aging. It'll tell you on the packaging like all the things that you can use it for. You can use it for uneven skin tone, like I said, for dehydrated skin. It works on new stretch marks as well as old stretch marks. My stretch marks are about a year old, and like they're pretty much gone now, and I'll put pictures or whatever so that you can see the difference. But I've been using this for about actually, it may have not even been a month yet that I've been using this bio oil. It may have just been a couple weeks actually that I've been using this. But I'll tell you what I have been using for about a month, and that is a Derma roller. Now this is also awesome, and you can use this as well. You can use it on your face, you can use it on stretch marks, and you can use it on scars as well. So these two go hand in hand for me. So this is a Derma roller, and it comes, I ordered it offline off Amazon. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for, but I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description box if you want to purchase it. And this is 1.5 millimeter is the needle. So it's basically like little tiny needles. You can see that. So it's basically like little tiny needles, and you take this Derma roller and you go back and forth on your stretch marks. The stretch marks that I'm actually trying to work on are the ones on my stomach. And I take this, and I'll show you how I use it. But I take this and I use it first. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to definitely sanitize it. And I was looking for the alcohol, but you definitely have to sanitize it first, because it is needles that you are going, it's going through your skin. So you want to make sure that it's sanitized, and I sanitize it with 90% alcohol. Okay, and so I do this before I use it, and I use it twice a week. I use it twice a week. And so once you go over it with the needles, your skin is going to be red, because basically what it's doing, what the Derma roller is doing is breaking into your skin so that it can help regenerate new skin, which helps regenerate like collagen growth. So it's regenerating the collagen, which it helps with your stretch marks. And like I said, it also helps with your skin, with anti-aging. Now, I haven't used it on my face or anything like that yet, but I'm pretty sure that it's awesome. And I'll show you. Like I said, I'll put a picture of my results that I've gotten so far. Like I said, I've probably been using this Derma roller for probably over a month now. I've been using this, and I just started using this bio oil probably maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. But when I was just using this by itself, when I was just doing the dry roller and I wasn't using any oil, I could still see, my stretch marks. But once I started doing this with this, I saw a dramatic improvement within like a week. seriously. And like I said, it'll be real red. Your stretch marks if you're using it for your stretch marks, they may appear worse after you do this, because like I said, it's gonna make your skin red and a little irritated. So yeah, so I'm gonna include the video where y'all see me actually doing the actual dry roller over my stomach, the Derma roller over my stomach, and I do it dry, and then after that I take the bio oil and I put it over there and on my stomach. And so I'll also, like I said, include the photo so that y'all can see like the difference. Like you can barely see my stretch marks now. And so I'm just so thankful. I'm just so thankful. And I just wanted to share with somebody, because I know, you know, there's people out here like me who have stretch marks and you want to improve the appearance of them. And so I think this would definitely help. So check it out. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you in the comments. And I will see y'all guys the next time. Love you. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I do my Derma roller. So as you can see, these are my stretch marks. And I just take it and I'll go down all the way. And then I go up and down. So you go across. I mean, this is just how I do it, and then I go down. So after I'm done with that, I get my bio oil, and then I just take a couple drops. That's more than a couple drops. And then I just massage it into my stomach like that.